guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing groiners. Now, I love this exercise because not only does it get my heart rate up, but it also opens up my hips. So what we're gonna do is we start in this low squat position, or we can really start in a high plank. When we start in the low squat position, we're gonna bring our hands down. We want our fingers spread, so this is gonna help stabilize our upper body. We're going to jump our feet back into a high plank position, and then we're gonna jump them right back in. When we jump them in, we always want to land on our whole foot. So this also increases your calf mobility, because if you can put your heels down in this low squat, then you're gonna be getting a nice calf stretch. So in real time, it looks like this. So when we jump in, our chest also comes up. So for more awesome cardiovascular and really whole body working beneficial exercises like this, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.